Good morning, YouTube. What's going on? Look at this. I don't even know how that's legal. Just a second ago, it was so dusty, we couldn't see. I couldn't see what was in front of me. I had to stop the machine. It's windy, super windy. Look at that flag. I'm right here by the airport, working. Another blessed day. Thank God. I'm on a cat loader today. I was on that Volvo loader, but the guy that's running it doesn't know how to use the forks, or at least that's what they told me. I don't know. So they had me moving stuff with the forks, which I have. It's an attachment you can add, tape, put on and take off. Got the roller and the dozer right there. We're setting base out. My forte is really underground, but when you know how to run equipment well, you can keep grade. They're gonna put you on whatever it is they need you. See what else we got out here. I'm on my break. I apologize if you hear me eating, but we got plenty of equipment out here for all different sorts of things. That there is a compactor. They call it a turtle. The dozer and the roller. See the excavator there in the background. A labor. Those are important. Actually, that's our foreman. There's one of the boss's trucks. And this is for laying down the asphalt. There's a couple of mechanics. Good to have on site. Some more equipment. And the one with the flag on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me pull it over where I can see the phone. Sorry about that. So we have quite a bit of equipment out here. We're right here on the airport, as you can see. Man, my window's dirty. It's getting nasty outside. Dust all over my phone. Dust all inside the cab, everywhere. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. Always be careful if you're working out here. Windy conditions. Instead of wearing just some glasses, try to take goggles. Keep your eyes protected. Otherwise you get sand all in them. It doesn't matter. When it's real windy, the dirt and dust will get right in behind the glasses and right into your eyes. Earplugs are important. Keep the dust out of your ears. What else? Maybe a ski mask or something like that, which is what I've got on. I'll show you guys. Maybe you can see. It's gonna be there in the mirror. I got a ski mask on, and see if I can flip this camera around. I don't think there's a way, but anyway, you can see the beanie I got on. It says Burros Backhoe Service. If you it's one of the people that good friends of mine. If you guys ever need any equipment services in Southern California, get a hold of that guy. Burro Backhoe Service. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. Love y'all, man. Thank you for your support. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the bottom. I'll try to answer any questions that you have.